Yes, children. So we were discussing the grammar part of the lesson, moral action. What is moral action? So let us continue with the fill in the blanks activities there. Yes, question number 11. Okay. So what is question number 11? He dashed to his horror that his child swallow a coin. Who will tell me the answer for this? Today shall we start with Nutan? Nutan?
Mataji, which question?
11th. Hari. Can you tell me the answer?
He discovered to his horror that his child had swallow up.
Yes, exactly. He discovered to his horror that his child had swallowed, okay, a coin. That is correct answer. Then 12th question. 12th question will be answered by, yes, Vidya Shakti will be.
The little girl, what happened to her ice cream?
Yes, the little girl with,
Asked
huh,
what had happened to her ice cream.
exactly. Correct answer is the little girl asked what had happened to her ice cream is the correct answer. Then 13th one. 13th one. Will it be tried by Krupa? 13th.
It is the madman who does the killing.
Yes, 13th one is it was the madman who did the killing. Okay, it was the madman who did the killing. Was the madman who did the killing. Now, next, 14th one, Darshan.
Yes, Mataji.
Tell me the answer, Darshan. Yes, strength is there, 51.
Before I reached the class, the teacher had begun the class.
Exactly, your answer is correct. Before I reached the class, the teacher had begun the lesson. Your answer is right. Okay. Now, next question, that is the 15th one. Will it be will it be answered by Pratham Pandit?
Yes, Mataji.
Tell me the answer for that.
When I reached bus stop,
When
was told that was
I was told
when
that.
I reached the bus, I had left already.
Yes. When I reached the bus stop, I was told that the bus had left already. Okay.
Already.
Correct answer. Yes. When I reached the bus stop, I was told that the bus had left already. Then 16th one, Nikhil Hegde.
The test was much easy.
The test was much easier.
The test was than I thought first.
I had thought. Okay. So the test
Huh.
was much easier than I had thought first. Okay. Yes. So that is because I had thought first. You have thought no already. That action has taken place before you wrote the exam. The test was easier. It's you have written an exam. Before that, one activity has taken place. That is, you have thought something, right? So that's why you have to use past perfect tense. Yes. Now, next question. Vaishnavi Yan Hegde. Vaishnavi Yan Hegde. Vaishnavi, can you speak? Or else Sinchana D. Bhatt. Sinchana D.
He
Bhatt.
refused to admit that he had stolen the mobile.
Yes, he refused to admit that he had stolen the mobile. Is the correct answer. Refused, had stolen. Akshay written properly. Yes. Then 18th question. 18th question it will be answered by yes. Yes, it will be answered by Dhruva. Dhruva will try.
Yes, Mataji.
Tell the answer.
He gave me back the book.
Huh.
Thanked me for lending it to him and said that I had enjoyed very much, but I know
I huh.
I know
I knew maybe, huh? I knew, huh?
I knew that he had not read it because most of the pages were still uncut.
Yes. Okay. Now he gave me, huh? He gave me back the book, thanked me for lending it to him, and said that he had enjoyed it very much. But I knew that he had not read the book because most of the pages were still uncut. That is correct answer. Okay. Now 19th one. 19th one will be answered by yeah. Who will answer? 19th one will it be answered by Tejasvi?
I thought my train leaves at 2 and was very disappointed when I had arrived at 1:45 and learned that it just left.
Once more, I thought that. What is that? I thought.
My train leaves at 2 and
I thought that my train leaves Marjani. No, my train would leave. Okay. I thought that my train would leave at 2 and was very disappointed when I arrived
had arrived.
at 1:45 and learned that it had just left. I found later that I had used an out of date what timetable. Okay. Yes. Now 20th question will be answered by Siri. Series.
A woman came in with a baby who she said just had swallowed a safety pin.
Yes. Okay. So a woman came in with a baby who she said just had swallowed a safety pin is the correct answer. Okay. Now let us go for that one. That is C. Supply the correct past tense. No. Yeah. Come for that, children. First chance I will give to Shri Harsha.
Yes, Mataji.
Tell me the answer.
When the old lady returned to her flat, she saw at once that burglars broke in during her absence because the front door.
Wait. Sri Harsha, 1 minute, Mary. Everybody is listening to Sri Harsha, no? Sri Harsha, check there. When the old lady returned to her flat, she saw at once that burglars. What next? Burglars. Before she came to the flat, what the burglars have done there? See, the entry of the old lady to her flat is in past tense, no? So before she came there, before that past act, another past had taken place, another past event had taken place, no? So in that case, you have to use a past perfect tense. Divya Mataji came to the class. Before that, Akshay had cleaned the board. Huh? I came to the class. That is a past event. Before that past event, what Akshay has done? He had cleaned the board. That is the past event before that past event, right? So that's why. Now, Shreyarsha, correct your answer and read.
Yes, Mataji.
Huh.
When the old lady returned to her flat, she saw at once that the burglars had broken in during her absence because the front door was open and everything in the flat was upside down. The
Yes.
burglars
Stop it.
themselves were
Stop it there, Madhu. Okay, thank you very much. Till then, till there it is correct. Everybody got the answer? So B form of helping verb is there. No, there you have to use was. Huh? Was upside down. Was open. Huh? No. Rashmi Pai will continue.
The burglars themselves were no longer there,
Huh?
but they probably only just had left
Had.
because
Hmm.
because a cigarette was still burning on an ornamental table.
Hmm.
Probably they had heard the lift coming up
And
had run down the fire escape.
yes, had run down the fire escape. That is correct. Okay. Next chance, Aniket. Aniket is not there. What he has messaged? Oh, yeah, he has informed. Yes. Then, if Aniket is not there, then will it be answered by Shantika? Shantika?
Mataji,
Huh.
they had helped themselves to her whiskey too, but
Wait, Shantika, huh? 1 minute, sorry. They had
helped themselves to her whiskey
huh.
too, but there was a little left.
But there was a little left. Huh? So,
She poured herself out a drink.
yes, your answer is correct. Okay, stop it there. It will be continued by Shreya Bhatt.
She wondered if they found her jewelry
If they,
and rather hoped.
If they, Shreya, see, before her act, what is that? She wondered if they
found.
had found.
Uh,
If they had found.
if she wondered if they had found her jewelry and rather hoped that they had.
Yes, then continue. Continue.
The jewelry had been given by her husband,
Had been
who
given.
had
Yes, had been given.
who had died some year
Yes, who had died
who
some.
had died some years before.
Yes, your answer is correct, Mari. Okay. Yes. Now, next will be continued by Bhuvana. Bhuvana. Okay, Vaishnavi, we have it.
Yes, Mataji. Since his death, she had not had the heart to wear it, yet she had not liked to sell it.
She had not liked to sell it. Okay. Yes, continue and complete that.
Now it seemed that fate had taken the matter out of her hands, and certainly the insurance money would come in handy.
Yes, your answer is correct. Okay. Yes. Now the vocabulary part, your grammar part is complete there. Yes. So here we will complete the lesson moral action, children. I will send you the question and answers maybe by today evening or maybe by tomorrow evening. Complete writing the question and answers of moral action as soon as possible. Okay. Yes. Now, Oh, how many minutes remaining for the end of this meeting? 20 minutes are remaining, no? Okay. We will end the meeting here. Okay, children, let us do one thing. We will end the meeting here to start SST class. Rejoin with the same link. Be very fast.